Hi, today we'll see Squid. Squid is superconducting quantum interface device, which is the very important and interesting application of superconductor. Just we'll see one by one how it is constructed, how it is work, and its application. So first we'll see what is actual squid. Squid is a very sensitive magnetometer used to measure extremely small magnetic flux of order 10 raised to minus 18 Tesla. Their working is based on superconducting loops containing Josephson junction. In previous topic, we have seen what is Josephson junction, AC and DC Josephson effect. So you already know what is that Josephson junction. Actually, in between superconductor, if we keep a thin layer of insulator, that time this Josephson junction is formed. In construction of squid, we can see there are main two type of squid. One is direct current, that is DC squid, and second is radio frequency, that is RF squid. Radio frequency, that is RF squid, is made up of one Josephson junction which is mounted on superconducting ring. See again, this RF squid made up of one Josephson junction, that is single Josephson junction we can observe in a radio frequency squid, while in DC squid there are two Josephson junctions. Just see the diagram. Actual diagram is this. From front side we can observe this is squid. In this squid you can see this uh, superconductor in the form of ring, and this is one junction and this is other junction. Current is coming from this point and emerging from this point. Just we can see the schematic form of this, in which you can clearly observe this complete this is this squid. In this squid, from point C the current entering, and from point the current emerging, and the point P and point Q are the junctions. Hmm? Just we see one by one this again. Before that, we can observe this magnetic field, which is applied magnetic field. Means when we are using this squid, any object or any body having its own magnetic field, which affect on this Josephson junction. Due to that, their voltage is varies. So see again, we are looking the schematic, and one by one they're working. This is DC squid. A direct current DC squid consists of two Josephson junctions which are parallel and more sensitive. You can observe these two junctions, junction E and junction Q. So as these both are parallel, they are more sensitive than RF squid. Next point, the squids are usually fabricated from lead or niobium. So to formation of these complete squid, the element used is lead or pure niobium. Next point is the tunnel barrier is oxidized onto lead or niobium surface. This tunnel barrier is oxidized into lead or niobium surface, and this entire device is cooled by liquid helium. We know to get superconducting stage, we have to decrease the temperature below the critical temperature, and to achieve this superconducting stage, liquid helium is used in this condition.